Hello beautiful people, in this video I will be showing you how to make this beautiful looking turmeric body scrub, which you can pair with the turmeric body butter I made in an earlier video. If you've not seen that, please check the link in the description box. Let's get started. The first ingredients that I will be using is my butter. I'm using shea butter, but you can use any other butter like mango butter, cocoa butter, anyone is fine. Next, I will be using my turmeric powder. Turmeric powder is great for hyperpigmentation, for brightening of the skin. It's really good. Next, I'll be using my lemon oil. Lemon oil is also a brightening oil. Lemon oil can help in moisturizing the skin, and it's also very great for hyperpigmentation. Next, I'll be using my white sugar. This is what makes this scrub a scrub. White sugar is an exfoliant. It's going to help us remove dead skin cells from the skin, which is the job of a scrub. I will also be using a tea bag. Don't worry, if you don't have a tea bag, I will show you what you can do instead. The first step is to melt the shea butter using the double boiling method. So I'm going to stand this in a pot of boiling water, and then the shea butter is going to melt gradually. Just keep stirring as everything melts. Please do not use direct heat to melt your shea butter. Do not place your shea butter on direct heat. Use the double boiling method. As you can see, our shea butter is almost completely dissolved. While our shea butter is almost completely dissolved, now I'm going to put my turmeric powder inside the tea bags. Now if you don't have a tea bag, just hold on. Now I've sealed my tea bag. Now I'm going to take this tea bag and put it into the melted shea butter so that we can infuse the turmeric into the shea butter. If you don't have a tea bag, then you would add the turmeric powder directly into the shea butter and infuse it. But after the infusion, you would need to strain out the chaff of the turmeric powder. Just keep on stirring for about 10 minutes, and then you would notice that your shea butter will have this yellowish color. Now when everything is done, you can take out the tea bag. Our shea butter is ready. Now you can also take out the shea butter from the boiling water. This is what the melted shea butter now looks like. It has this yellowish color in it. That's because of the turmeric powder. Now I'll go ahead and add in the lemon oil. I will drop the full list of the ingredients and their accurate measurements in the description box, so feel free to check it out after watching the video. Now I'll just mix it in very well so that everything is well mixed and well incorporated. Now I'll go ahead and add my white sugar into the mix. If you don't want to use white sugar, you can substitute this for brown sugar or jojoba beads, any other exfoliant. They will all do a great job, but just note that it might not have the same outcome like the color. Now I'll mix my white sugar into the mix so that everything is well mixed. You can actually leave your scrub at this point. This is perfect, but I want my scrub to be a whipped body scrub, so I'm going to take it a step further. So now I'm going to drop this in the refrigerator so that it can solidify, and then I will bring it back and whip. You don't need to leave it for too long, just 30 minutes or even less is fine. So I left mine for about 15 minutes, and as you can see, it is completely solidified. And I have my whip here, and I'm going to whip it until I get the consistency that I want. If you want it to be fluffier than this, you can leave it for lesser time in the refrigerator. Don't let it solidify as much as mine did. So this is what my scrub looks like now. It's so nice. I like the yellow color that the turmeric gives it. This scrub will greatly exfoliate your skin. It's going to help in brightening your skin. And if you pair this with the turmeric body butter I made, that is the absolute best thing for your skin. Also, since this is an emulsified scrub, it's very creamy, so it's going to moisturize your skin as it's exfoliating your skin. Now I'm just going to pack it up into my jar so that I can save it for use. I didn't add a preservative to this scrub because it's a very small quantity and also it does not contain water, so feel free to add if you want. If you watched this video till this point, thank you so much for watching and I hope you learned something new. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying out this recipe. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, share this video, drop a beautiful comment and subscribe to my channel for more beautiful recipes like this. Bye and see you in my next video.